Hello everyone, my name is Isalieva Sanya. I work at Orajanlo Small Center Secondary School. I am a teacher of the 7th grade. Today I want to talk about chemical elements, simple substances and the compound. The ability of recognize the chemical symbol of an element and the distinct specific types of atoms. The ability to classify elements, simple substances and the complex ones based on the composition explanation. Students correctly use the terms chemical elements, simple substances and the compound in English. Substances are divided into types according to the composition. Simple substances, complex. For example, iron, silver, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen. Simple substances, complex. For example, water, table salt, sugar, baking soda, potassium permanganate. Simple substances are divided into types according to the structure, atomic and molecular. Atomic substances, iron, silver, sulfur, phosphorus, carbon. Complex substances, H2, O2, N2, F2. Group work. Group number 1. The elements related to planets, scientists, countries in the names of these entities in the periodic table. Group number 1. Who writes the symbols and the names of elements, entities, atomic numbers 6, 8, 12, 14, 18. Functional literacy task. KRIN, aluminum spoon, copper wire, coal, plastic bottle and iron. Which of them conducts electricity well? Lesson reinforcement task. Individual work, metals and non-metals method. Through the word-wall program, students will identify elements that belong and the non-metals. Conclusion, your reflection for our lesson. Thank you for attention.